We are looking at the cloud SandBox workflow. So there are 4 distinct stages in this workflow. The first is the cloud effect. So we check the hash of the file. Every file has an MD5 hash. So we check this hash against blacklists from threat feeds and other observed samples in the cloud. So if it is a known malicious file already, this is where the AV capabilities or the malware capabilities come in, and we block it right away. For the ones that we don't know, the ones that are unknown, we move them to the next stage, which is called pre-filtering. Now with pre-filtering, it's still a stage before we actually do sandboxing. Here, we use different engines including AV, but we also use Yara rules. Yara rules is essentially a open source malware research tool set where different researchers for malwares can actually define rules or Yara rules which allow you to actually attribute specific malware to specific families. You can actually identify different types of malware with these Yara rules. So the next stage, as part of pre-filtering, we really find out which ones are the ones which really need behavioral analysis or which really need to be sent to the sandbox detonation environment, which is the next phase. Now, once the sample is sent through detection pipeline in the sandbox, it's open in a containerized or virtualized environment. We monitor it, what kind of behavior it exhibits. All the intelligence is collected, and we deliver a verdict. Either the file is benign or the file is malicious. Now, once that is delivered, there's also a post-processing stage. What happens in the post-processing stage is the threat database is updated to deliver immediate cloud effect and policy enforcement. So for instance, if we find out that a specific file never seen before is actually a specific malware family, then we create a report, which I'll talk about later. We update all our other engines using the cloud effects. For instance, the malware protection and advanced threat protection, whatever intelligence we have be able to get out of this file while detonating in sandbox gets reprogrammed and immediately updated.